Voila. Alright you guys, the Golf R is looking pretty darn good for today's meet. I'm really excited, I'm looking forward to it. Hopefully a lot of you guys are there. I know, it's a little rough on the weather front. We're kind of still dealing with winter temperature for sure. Last night it actually snowed and it wasn't too bad, a little bit of coverage, nothing over the top. It's gonna be 35 degrees, so anyone who's coming out today, you guys are G's. I mean, yeah, I'm wearing my real winter coat just so I don't absolutely freeze. But I'm looking forward to it. It's gonna be really awesome. I opened it to pretty much all cars because I don't want to do just like a, all Volkswagen, all golf meet. I mean, as fun as that would be, I'm sure we're gonna see a lot of golfs anyway. I think it's time to jump in the car. We need an energy drink, like bad, big time, and maybe we should get some gas. I'm not gonna love doing that, but we do what you gotta do. As you guys can see, we got a lot of salt on the road. Salt on the road, pretty much for any golf, means salt on the car. It's just how it is. These cars, for some reason, kick up every possible thing that they drive over. A small dust, whatever. It's going to end up on the car. So, yeah, it's just how it is. Hopefully, it's clean enough when we get there. I'm definitely not getting it cleaned again. It's the nature of it, guys. New England Pete. I love New England. It's a great area, but damn. Wintertime's tough. All right, so we scooped up our morning fix. This should do the trick. Unfortunately, $5 minimum everywhere you go. That damn inflation. So winning. All right, guys. I think probably the next time I pick up the camera will be pretty much at the meet. So looking forward to it. I'm gonna get there pretty early. Early for me, that is, which is relatively close to on time. Just so people don't have a hard time kind of finding where exactly we're meeting. So. Time to get to it. All right, so we got everyone behind me. I've never seen so many golfs in one line. It is hilarious. Note to self, I gotta do a pure golf event next time. It's great, actually, we have a bunch of other cars though, so. I was not joking, we literally have so many golfs behind me. Got Max. It's Golf Nation. Hopefully no one makes the wrong exit. We're going straight, we're not going to Boston. We'll do a nice little beach cruise today. That is the goal. And yeah, it should be fun. We got Max right there. That car is so clean. Nice. Little facelift Golf R action. Thing is so clean. Hopefully we don't lose anyone. That is the ultimate goal of today. As you guys know, that's impossible. Someone is bound to get lost. My roommate being one of those people, so. I'm looking behind me and I see like half of our crew. So I'm starting to pick up this notion that I shouldn't be ever leading or planning things for that matter. That being said, hopefully we all at least end up in the same place, ideally. I know probably at this point we're all gonna take different ways to get there. Oh, so funny. This guy was taking a picture. I had to be that guy. But, oh man, guys, events like these are fun. And they're most fun when it's warmer out. So we'll have to be definitely doing more of these. In fact, I'd love to do a Kank cruise. Probably looking like a very much a spring event. If you guys would be down, definitely leave it in the comments below if you guys want to join for a more warmer cruise. And actually a little bit more adventurous. I love kind of long drives with the homies, Ideally, gas prices will be lower by that time too, so keep that in mind. Or they'll be higher, but let's think positive. This thing is just so much fun. I wish it had maybe a 5-cylinder note just to tie it all together. I think that's the one thing this car is missing. The Remus sounds beautiful. It's a really good sounding exhaust, but it's a 4-cylinder at the end of the day. And these don't sound bad for 4 cylinders. There's definitely some bad sounding 4-cylinders out there, and I apologize for anyone watching with one, but I think the WRX sounds awful. The 2-liter with the, I think, equal length headers, the newer ones, they just don't sound that good. No 4-cylinder is gonna sound that great, but there's certainly some that sound just awful. But anyway, I think that's the only thing it's missing. A little bit more more cylinders. The once was a clean Golf R is now seen some salt.
Yeah, hey, look, she's officially just a 2-seater.
Got a bunch of Mk7 Golfs. Can't go wrong. As you guys can see, we've accumulated quite the amount of salt on our way. We also got these APR wheels. This thing is bonkers. What do you guys think about these wheels? Beautiful. Have a pretty solid turnout. We got a bunch of our BMW homies way over there. And then nothing but Golfs. Just gonna do a little takeoff. That thing is gnarly.
Stop following me the whole way here, bro. Yeah, you're.
All right, so hopefully I got enough footage for you guys. You know, I definitely wish I filmed a little bit more, but it was honestly networking, and it's great to kind of have some awesome conversations with some of you guys who did come. Wicked cool people, and awesome builds, guys. Wicked cool. So I think I'm gonna take it easy for the rest of the day. I have a couple plans to take care of. So. But yeah, we'll definitely be doing another one of these for sure. It was definitely a fun time, and I think once it warms up a little bit more, it'll be more enjoyable to kind of get out there and start doing some meets. So I'll let me know if you guys want to do something like that. I think I'm gonna start doing a lot of this stuff through maybe Das Driven, and sort of advertising everything through there and create official posts. And yeah, I think that's kind of what we'll be doing kind of going forward. So stay tuned for that. It should be a really fun time, and I think we'll kind of just take it from there. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and also for those of you who came. It was a great time. It was great to meet you guys. We'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, peace and love.